Morning, Tom. I'll just give you a quick talk around the cooling system. I've mocked it up on this other cart. This isn't your engine, but I've made up a new system and I've split some of the pipes so that they will ship better, pack a lot more compactly. Right, okay, well, we'll start where we come out the cylinder head. So the first part is this 135-degree bend. It's 22 millimeters both ends. It is a bit loose on the cylinder head outlet, which is actually 19 millimeters. It's exactly the same as is on Chuck's, and we've used it on lots of other carts of ours and don't get a problem, but obviously you've just got to make sure that hose clip is nice and tight and you've got a bit of hose sticking out the inside of the clip so that it can't slide off. So that's that one. Then you've got your filler pot with the temp sensor lead, and then we go into 90-degree silicon bend, 22 mil both ends. Okay, and then that disappears off and under the engine. On your engine there will be, shift this out of the way so you can see, there will be a tag coming off this bolt, and you simply fix the pipe here, a little bit of insulation silicone hose over the top, and fix it with a cable tie just to stabilise it all. The pipe then whizzes across under the engine and comes back past the front of the seat cradle. You can actually tie wrap it to the seat cradle as well. This pipe splits in the middle here, so it's two sections, and then the other section simply rises up over the top and into the top of the radiator. I'm guessing you will have a 25 millimeter outlet pipe on the radiator exactly like this one, and as you can see here we've just forced 22 mil hosing onto the 25 mil connection, and it fits nicely onto the 22 mil hose. If you spray some brake cleaner up the inside of the silicone hose when you're pushing it on, it slides on really nice and easy. It is a bit difficult to get off though afterwards. Right, move on to the bottom hose. So again, comes out the bottom. This is all 25 mil now. So 25 mil joiner hose onto the radiator, onto the pipe. Runs across the front. There's a drain hose here, which you can, sorry, I think it's difficult to get far enough away, but has a drain union on the end, just a 5 mil cap head bolt. And obviously when you're draining, you can just dangle that over the edge of the cart and into a bucket, or just let it go to the floor if it's just water. Same thing here, again here, joiner, so the pipe's cut in the middle here, joiner either side, and again you can tie wrap that back to the bottom of the C-tube. That goes underneath the side of the cart, tucked nicely in out the way of the engine, round the front, and then onto this silicon bend, which will now go around the other side. Silicon bend comes up there, and if we just go that way, you can see it joins to this curved aluminium pipe that keeps it away from the bottom of the exhaust. There's about a 10 millimeter clearance, and then into that short silicon length that goes into the inlet to the water pump housing. On the top of the water pump housing there, oops, shift that out of the way, yeah, that's better. You'll see there's a bleed there for bleeding the air out. So there's 3 bleed points on the system. There's the normal 2 on, whoops, sorry. There's the normal 2 on the top of the radiator, and there's this one on the top of the water pump there. You can see it better from the side. So you just take the 6 millimeter bolt out, and as you're filling it, and get all the air out, and then pop it back in again. Try not to splash the water about too much, because you will have your electronics tray mounted down here. So I think that's it. Okay, bye for now.